Hey friends, welcome back to Healthy in Heart. Have you ever paused to think about what you're really saying when you wish someone Shabbat Shalom? It might sound simple, but those two little Hebrew words carry a depth that could change the way you experience your weekends and how you walk with your Creator. In today's video, I'm going to unpack the powerful meaning behind Shabbat Shalom and what you're truly wishing someone when you say it. Stick around to the end, and I'll also let you know where to find the full in-depth article if you want to dive deeper. So let's break it down. Shabbat means rest. It's the seventh day of the week, the day the Creator himself blessed and set apart. It's not just a break from work. It's a sacred invitation to return to alignment with him. Shalom means peace, but not just the calm kind. In Hebrew, it means wholeness, completeness, restoration. So when you say Shabbat Shalom, you're not just saying, have a peaceful day. You're saying, may your rest be complete. May your soul be restored. May your body, mind, and spirit find healing in the presence of the Creator. So what are you really wishing someone when you say Shabbat Shalom? You're blessing them with rest for the body. We run hard all week, physically, emotionally, spiritually. This greeting is like saying, hey, you don't have to earn anything today. Just breathe, unclench your jaw, and let go. You're blessing them with the peace for the mind. Shabbat Shalom invites stillness, quiet from anxious thoughts, and a chance to realign mentally. It's a break from the noise. You're blessing them with renewal for the spirit. It's a reminder to return to the source of life, to find joy in worship, scripture, and spiritual connection. But that's not all. You're also wishing them healing in relationships, wholeness in community, and a glimpse of the future of the world to come, when eternal Shabbat will cover the earth like the waters cover the sea. That's a big deal. Words matter. Proverbs 18:21 tells us that life and death are in the power of the tongue. So when you say Shabbat Shalom, you're not just greeting someone, you're declaring life. You're releasing peace. You're aligning your speech with heaven. Now, if your week has been anything but peaceful, don't worry. Shabbat Shalom still applies. Sometimes we need to receive the blessing even when we don't feel it. Shabbat reminds us that healing and peace are not earned, they're offered. So this week when you say Shabbat Shalom, I invite you to pause and really mean it. Let it come from your heart as a prayer and a gift. And if you want to explore this even deeper, I've written a full article that unpacks the meaning of Shabbat Shalom, body, mind, spirit, and beyond. You'll find it at healthyandheart.com, or just click the link in the description below. So until next time, Shabbat Shalom, my friends. May your rest be rich and your peace be complete. Until next time, stay healthy in heart and remember to listen and obey.